This answer looks professional. It names a journal, a year, and an exact result. But the study cannot be confirmed. Here is how to catch that problem in about 3 minutes. Neural made simple. You will learn a 4-step check you can use on any important ChatGPT answer. Inspect the claim, open the evidence, cross-check it, and decide what is actually supported. For this demonstration, I gave ChatGPT a fictional claim. A 2024 study supposedly found that blue light filters improve memory by 37%. The claim is intentionally invented so we can test the verification process safely. First, do not ask only, "Is this true?" Ask the model to separate confirmed facts, assumptions, and what still needs verification. Also tell it not to treat a citation as genuine unless it can confirm it. The answer did something useful. It said it could not confirm the journal, the study, or the 37% result. That is a much safer result than repeating the original claim. Step 1. Inspect the claim. Highlight every detail that could be checked. The paper title, authors, journal, publication date, exact number, and DOI. Specific details create specific verification tasks. Step 2. Open the evidence yourself. A citation is only a lead. Visit the link, confirm that the page exists, and check that the author, date, and publication match what the AI said. Step 3. Read the source, not just the headline. Find the exact passage that supports the claim. A real paper can still be misquoted, exaggerated, or used to support a conclusion it never made. Step 4. Cross-check with at least one independent, reliable source. For health, legal, financial, or safety decisions, use official evidence and a qualified professional. Do not rely on one chatbot answer. Here is the reusable prompt. Verify this answer. List each factual claim. Give a direct source for each one. Quote the exact supporting passage. Separate confirmed facts, assumptions, and uncertainties. If evidence is missing, say unverified. Your 3-minute workflow is simple. Minute 1, list the claims. Minute 2, open and read the strongest source. Minute 3, cross-check the most important fact. If the evidence does not match, stop and label the answer unverified. Remember, generate, inspect, verify, then decide. ChatGPT can accelerate research, but evidence earns trust. Save this workflow and subscribe to Neural Made Simple for practical AI skills you can use.